Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical basics so you don't waste time. Power cycle the phone or modem, hold power for 10 seconds, then restart to clear transient faults. Once done, eject the SIM gently, clean contacts with a dry cloth, and reseat it to ensure a firm connection. Next, verify your carrier account and check for service outages or suspension. If the account is inactive, re-enable it before proceeding to network settings. You now move into configuration. This is where many fixes happen. Toggle airplane mode off and on, waiting 10 to 15 seconds to force a fresh registration. If auto network selection stalls, choose your carrier manually to prompt reconnection. Then inspect APN and MMS settings. Make sure they match the exact values from your carrier, because a wrong APN prevents data and sometimes service. If you change settings, reboot the device so those parameters take effect. Finish with decisive diagnostics and a final fallback. Reset network settings when previous steps fail. This clears saved Wi-Fi but often restores cellular configs, then re-enter passwords and reconnect. If the problem persists, test your SIM in a spare phone or try another SIM in your device to isolate whether the handset or the carrier is at fault. If still unresolved, contact carrier support and give them your IMEI and account details. If all else
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.